Hi, my name's Lisette. I'm with my daughter, and we're going to unbox the Chocator starter kit today together. I just signed up to be an independent Chocator designer, so I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's see. Okay. Wow. So, looks like this. Design, love, repeat. I love it already. So let's see what's in. So it comes, show you. It says here, if you can dream it, you can do it. I love that. And it comes all nice packaged. So let's see what's first. Sure. Okay, so first thing, we got a folder, a bunch of goodies. We got a 5x7 transfer, too cold to care, cute. We have a deer, some other little icons, some little stars, the antlers, like cut apart. We got the catalog, which I hear is awesome, and everybody's excited to see it, so I can't wait to check that out tonight. And then this one is my favorite already. I'm dreaming of a farmhouse Christmas. Can't wait to make something with that. And this one's also cut apart, so you could cut here, and you have 3 other icons there. Then we have a bunch of icons here. We have 1, 2, 3, we have 12. We can make ornaments with that. We can make posters. We can make all kinds of things. So this one's going to be super fun. And then we have some Chocator transfers to make some signs if we do parties or make and takes. Another one. All these. Okay, I think that's all the transfers. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, we have a squeegee. Nice. And we have a surface. I'm going to open it. 5x7 little sign. And it's double-sided, so both sides you can decorate if you like. And I've never used Chocator. Just by seeing it on Instagram, I had to have it. So I'm very excited to play around with it. But one thing that drew me to it is that I can create something on here and it's permanent until I don't want it to be. So the way I change my decor constantly at home, which my daughter knows, this is great for me because so if I want something for the spring, I can put it on there and then scrub it off, have something for Christmas or for Thanksgiving, anything like that. So I'm really excited about that. So it's permanent until you don't want it to be permanent. So that's awesome. What else do we have here? Oh, we have Chockable chips. These, you can make coasters out of these, ornaments, I don't know, all kinds of little things out of this. They're 3-inch rounds, and I believe that there's 12 in here. Yes, it's a 12 pack. So that'll be fun. We have thank you cards. Those are important. And the apron, which I'm super excited about. You want to open it? at that. Cool. All right. And we have all the pastes, all the Chalkology paste. This one is candy apple.
I like this one.
We have peony. I don't know if I showed you the red good. So we have red, pink. We have white. We have, oh, this is a nice color, teal. It's really nice. And what do we have here, Sophia? Meadow. So these are really nice colors for all this Christmas transfers we got. So we're gonna make some cool stuff, and we're gonna post up some videos showing how we're gonna do it. See how it comes out. Super excited. Ooh. Then we have this beautiful frame. Wow, this is super nice. This is a 9 by 12. This is a beautiful quality wooden frame with, I think it's a magnetic also chalkboard. Do we have a magnet, Sophia? Let's see if it's magnet. Do you have a magnet around?
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's see. Well, she goes look for a magnet. I think it's magnetic. We got this Club Couture inspiration inside. Let's see what's inside. Oh, see if it's a magnet.
It is.
It is. Oh, that's exciting. Ooh, so we got an extra transfer with some icons. Oh, what fun. So we can make a really nice sign with this. This is the, yeah, you can show it. So it is a magnetic chalkboard, see? So you could make a calendar out of this if you want, and put your magnets, or you can make a menu board. You could do all kinds of things with this. This one's gonna be my favorite. I know it. So, and then you can draw. Yeah, and you can draw with it on with chalk markers too. But this would fit really nice on here. The oh, what fun! That's really cute. That'd be a nice frame. And then when I get tired and bored of it, I'll wash it off. So very exciting. I'm very excited to join this company and see how it goes. See what we can create. Okay, so until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. We appreciate it. And ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. All right, thanks. Bye.